In this video, we are going to see some of the programs which are left from the previous video. In previous video, we just discussed the program in simple encapsulation where no argument, no return was there, and we were discussing the program on largest among three numbers. Fine. Now in this video we will learn how argument can be provided but there won't be any return. It means the second concept which is written here, encapsulation with argument but no return. And the question I am taking same like largest among three numbers. So let's go to the editor, try. So here I am providing the question as this is program number 2. I am writing here program number 2 on encapsulation, and here I am specifying function. Here I am specifying function with argument and no return. Fine. Or you can write but no return. Fine. So the function name will be largest. So in this case, argument is there. Argument is there means what? Argument is there means what? There will be input from the main side. In previous case, main function was not providing any input. Main function was not providing any input. The callee part was collecting the number, processing as well as output. All three I wrote inside this class if you have noticed in previous case. But in this case, this input will be shift to main function. Why? Input is not required here. Why? Because the topic is function with argument but no return or and no return. Fine. So in this case, this input has to get removed from here, students. So I am removing from here. Fine. Only output and process here I am keeping. Then going here, what I have to do? Object already I have declared. So I have to write two variable I have to take. Suppose I am taking here x and y, because a and b I will use here. Already I have written here. So here I am taking x comma y comma z. As out of three number we need to find out the largest. Fine. So now there won't be any input because we don't have any input function here. We don't have any input function here. Input will be provided from here. So input function you simply remove from here. That is obj of input. Okay. Now let's write here the input statement, that is enter any three numbers. Fine. Which already we have written before, that I am writing here. C in A, B and C. Clear? Now what we have to do? The number we received here, the number we get here. Fine. We receive the number here in input. Now what we will do? Process. So when it will go to process, there is no A, no B, no C. So how it will process? There is no A, no B, no C here. Means there is no value here. So how it will process? So what we will do? Input already we kept here. So for in process, I can give A, comma B, comma C. It means when it is calling the process function, it is not only it is calling alone, it is calling with three variables. It is function with argument. So here the argument is this three. It means in this program there are three arguments. For this process function there are three arguments, students. So it is not x, a, b, c, it will be x, y, z, as x, y, z the variable I have used here. Okay, sorry for that. So x, y, z. Now coming back to process, here I have to take the variable int. What? Int, you say suppose p, int q and int r. So the value of x, y and z will get stored in p, q, r. These are the temporary variable. It will get stored in p, q, r. Now what it will do? Now from p, q, r the value will get transferred to a, b, c. So a equal to what we have to write? P, comma b equal to what we have to write? Q, and c equal to r. Fine. Now these are public variables. We can calculate based on PQR also, but there won't be any data hiding concept, students. So as we are doing encapsulation and we have to properly do the encapsulation concept or data hiding concept. So when the values are getting passed from here, that is x, y, z, so x value, y value and z value respectively temporarily will stored in P, Q and R. These are some temporary variable I have taken. Fine. Thereafter, I have to transfer these three temporary value or variable to our permanent private variable, that is a, b, c. I transferred here a equal to p, b equal to q, c equal to r. Fine. All the value get passed. Thereafter, this logic is perfect. Then output is perfect. I need not to change anything in a process, or I need not to change anything in output. Fine. Hope the concept is clear. Let's execute. Thereafter, once again I will explain. So let's run the program. Don't think that there will be any changes in the program, students. There won't be any changes in the program. Still I'm getting some error. Let me check. Yes, I made mistake here, students. Sorry for that. X, Y and Z I have to make. Sorry. So now run. Let's check. Still I'm getting obj.output. Okay, where is obj.output? Yes, obj.output. Output, the spelling is mistake, so output. Fine. So let's go for run again. Then return 0 I am getting. There is a semicolon some places where somewhere I removed. In output I forget to write semicolon. Sorry for that again. Run the program. Yes, it is running. So it is asking enter 3 number. This what statement it is showing showing the students that enter any 3 number. It is showing where? From the main function. So you provide 3 number. After you press enter, then this process function will get run. And x, y, z, those value what you get, it will get transferred to here. And the calculation will be done before it will store the value in the original private variables, that is a, b, c. Fine. This concept what you know. Suppose you got your salary today. This is your office. You got your salary today. This is the salary they provide to you. The salary comes to your hand. This is the salary you got from your office, and this is the salary now in your hand. It came to your hand. But whole month you have to not you have to you need not to keep it in your hand. Nah? Whole month you need not to carry that salary in your pocket. Nah? What you have to do? You have to deposit in bank. Bank is the secure place. So this is what? This is unsecure place, and ABC is the secure place today. ABC and result is the secure place, private. So either this value I have to transport to bank, or I have to transport to my Godrej Almira, where I can keep it safe. Understood? I can do it with PQR also. I can keep whole month salary, means entire salary, entire whole month I can keep in my pocket. But that is not secure, na students. That is not data hiding. Na? So that because of the value has to get transferred to where? Value has to get transferred to the private variable. So that because of we are transferring to the private variable here. This line is very important. Okay. Now check the output. Output is okay. Output there. I told you before there won't be any changes in output. Only the process and concept will be different. So here input we don't have, or you say the input I kept in main function. Only the process and the output is getting done by the class. Fine. This is what the second concept which we discussed here, students. Hope all of you understood the concept nicely. Thank you.